Hey guys, welcome to VDH Academy, and here in this presentation we are going to discuss an example. So here, if 3a is not an odd multiple of pi by 2, then prove that tan a into tan 60 degrees plus a into tan 60 degrees minus a is equal to tan 3a, and find the value of tan 6 degrees into tan 42 degrees into tan 66 degrees into tan 78 degrees. So in order to prove, let us consider LHS side, and by using the definition of tan theta, which is equal to sin theta divided by cos theta, here we can write tan a into tan 60 degrees plus a into tan 60 degrees minus a in terms of sin and cos. So here we get sin a into sin 60 degrees plus a into sin 60 degrees minus a divided by cos a into cos 60 degrees plus a into cos 60 degrees minus a. And here, by observing, we can see that by using the formula of sin a plus b into sin a minus b, which is equal to sin square a minus sin square b, and here in the denominator by using the formula of cos a plus b into cos a minus b is equal to cos square b minus sin square a. So by using both these formulas, we get here sin a into the formula that is sin square a. So here we get sin square 60 degrees minus sin square b, and here b is nothing but a. So we get sin square a divided by the denominator, which is cos a, into the formula which is cos square b. So here we get cos square a minus sin square a, which is sin square 60 here. And then writing the value of sin 60, we get here sin a into the value of sin 60, which is root 3 by 2 whole square, which is nothing but 3 by 4 minus sin square a divided by cos a into cos square a minus the value of sin square 60, which is 3 by 4. And here, taking 1 by 4 as the common factor and multiplying sin a with the inner terms, we get 1 by 4 into 3 sin a minus 4 into sin a into sin square a, which will become sin cube a. And similarly, let us simplify in the denominator. So here we get 1 by 4 as the common factor, and here we get 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. And here, by simplifying, 1 by 4 in the numerator as well as in the denominator gets cancelled, and we are left with the formula 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a, which is sin 3a divided by the formula of cos 3a. So sin by cos is nothing but tan. So here we get tan 3a as the value of tan a into tan 60 degrees plus a into tan 60 degrees minus a. So now let us name this equation as equation 1. And now let us find the value of tan 6 degrees into tan 42 degrees into tan 66 degrees into tan 78 degrees. So in order to find, let us substitute the value of a is equal to 6 degrees in the equation 1. So by using, we get here tan a, that is tan 6 degrees into tan 60 degrees plus 6. So we get here tan 66 degrees into tan 60 degrees minus 6 degrees, which is tan 54 degrees here, which is equal to tan 3 times of a. So here 3 times of 6 is 18 degrees. So we get tan 18 degrees. And now let us name this equation as equation 2. And then let us substitute the value of a is equal to 18 in equation 1. And now again, by substituting, we get here tan a, that is tan 18 degrees into tan 60 degrees plus a, that is 60 degrees plus 18 degrees, which will be 78 degrees, into tan 60 degrees minus 18 degrees, which will be equal to tan 42 degrees, that is equal to tan 3 times of a, that is 3 into 18 degrees, which will be 54 degrees. And now let us name this equation as equation 3. And now let us multiply equation 2 with equation 3. So by multiplying, we get here tan 6 degrees into tan 66 degrees into tan 54 degrees into tan 18 degrees into tan 78 degrees into tan 42 degrees on the left hand side. And on the RHS side, we get tan 18 degrees into tan 54 degrees. And here, tan 54 on the LHS side and tan 54 on the RHS side gets cancelled, and similarly tan 18 also gets cancelled. So that implies we get here tan 6 degrees into tan 66 degrees into tan 78 degrees into tan 42 degrees is equal to 1. So hence 1 is the value of tan 6 degrees into tan 42 degrees into tan 66 degrees into tan 78 degrees. So this value is equal to 1. And make a note of the formula, that is sin A plus B into sin A minus B is equal to sin square A minus sin square B. And the formula for cos A plus B into cos A minus B is equal to cos square B minus sin square A, as these formulas are very useful in solving examples in further videos. Hope you understood the concept. Refer to more videos on our website vteachacademy.com. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.